Certain students at University of Staffordshire might be able to download the Adobe Creative Suite, which includes Photoshop, Premiere, and After Effects, and many more. To do this, head over to Beacon, scroll down and select University Services. From here, select the Digital tab within the What Do You Need Help With, and select Digital Services. In this page, select More Information, and this will take you to the Digital Services website. Scrolling down on this page, you'll see a tab for Software and Digital Skills. And then select Software Downloads. This will open up a SharePoint site, and from here on the left hand side you'll see Adobe Creative Cloud. This will take you to the installation page. You will be required to sign into your university email and password, and this will authorize your account. Once the Adobe website has loaded in, select Apps from the left hand side. You will be greeted with all of the apps that you can install to your device. To install an application, simply select the Install button located next to the application name and follow the instructions.